Is the microphone not working on iPhone when using WhatsApp to make audio or video or for voice chat? To solve microphone issues with your WhatsApp, then consider following these 3 settings. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check mic access for your WhatsApp. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down, tap Microphone. Now enable this option for your WhatsApp. Solution 2. Now you need to turn off the Bluetooth. If your device is connected to any wireless device, then your microphone won't work. So, after turning on your Bluetooth, check your issue. Solution 3. Test the hardware issues for your microphone. Open the voice memo. Now try to record some sound. If you have that your microphone is picking up any sounds on your device, that means you have a hardware issue for your microphone. In that case, you need to repair your phone. So guys, if you still have any questions to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.